There have been issues raised as to what happens with regard to the closure of bars at 7 p.m. that had equally been announced by His Excellency the President in his previous address. With the removal of the curfew next week, what happens? This is the way it is. With the removal, we are reverting to closure of bars and restaurants at 11 p.m. or the time allowed by the licensing authorities. Protocols on hand washing, social distancing, sanitizing, however, remain in force. All facilities will still be expected to have hand washing posts and abide by the seating capacity as per the set protocols. I therefore appeal to county governments and enforcement agencies to ensure that the licensed facilities abide very strictly by their licensing conditions